Does your bedroom look like this? What's keeping you awake? Oh, that's it. That's the sound of knowing you won't sleep tonight. You are not a born snorer. It can develop at any time. Up to 64% of couples have a snoring partner, and it makes 25% of couples sleep apart. And it's not just your relationship that's in danger. Your health is too. When you fall asleep, your jaw relaxes and drops back, closing down your airway to the point where it vibrates as you breathe. This doesn't just keep the whole house awake. It also stops you from getting the deep, refreshing sleep you need, and that can have serious implications for your life, such as fatigue, irritability, headaches, restlessness, poor concentration, diminished productivity, and adverse effects on your heart and brain. You could spend hundreds of dollars on quick-fix solutions with bold claims and disappointing results. You could just grin and bear it. Or you could try Snorelax. These super simple strips are easy to apply and comfortable to wear, and they're quick and painless to remove. 100% cotton and fully biodegradable, Snorelax keeps your jaw in its normal position and your airway open, stopping your snore in its tracks. Snorelax isn't just the best solution on the market, it's the most affordable too. Don't let snoring ruin your relationship or harm your health. Sleep soundly. We can't fix everything, but a good night's sleep's a great place to start. With Snorelax.